Okay, so continuing our assembly, we now have 1, 2, 3 centers with 5 spikes on each one of these centers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, I think the trick is here to look for where we should begin the next completed 5 where we have the most. Here we have a center. We got 1, 2, and 3. Whereas here we only have 1, 2. We have another area here. 1, 2, 3. Right here, we can do this one as well. This one only has 2. This one has 3. So as I look at this, there are 3 areas. 1, 2, and 3. These 3 areas you could start. So let's go ahead and choose right here, this one. So I'm going to need 2 more in here. And let me see if I select. I don't have a green anywhere around here, so I'm going to do green. And maybe I'll do a light blue right over here. Light blue. So I'm going to do these 2 right in here. I'm going to do green and a light blue right there. See, that's how it completes it. So again, 2 small triangles right here. These are the 2 small triangles. And they're going to go inside this pocket. Very nicely. And then there are 2 small triangles right over here. And they are going to go inside this large triangle pocket right here. It's not really a pocket, right? It's more like a flap that we can open up. All right, and now we're going to finish this off, right? Because when we put this one in here, no, see? That's wrong. I still have to add 1 more. I was about to go ahead and close this, but if I look, I go 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I need another one in here. So let me see. Let me get another one in here. Maybe we can do the dark blue, or no, how about this this hot pink? So we'll do this hot pink. Open up this flap. Put that guy right in there. Right here, like so. Okay, now when I take a look at it, now I've got 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here's my center. It's a star. We can close this off. Right there. Very nice. Okay, so before I go on to the next one, I should go ahead and take a look and say, where are there 3 that need to close off and create a spike? So I've got right here, I got 1, 2, 3. I should close this off to make the spike. And I also have right over here, 1, 2, 3. I should close that off to make the spike. Do I have anywhere else? I don't think so. So I got 2 areas that need to be closed off. And again, it's just important. It's important whenever you see that you can make a spike, do it, because leaving this open, that's the thing. Leaving this open, it just makes this not close in more and more like it should be. So we want to do that. So again, I'm going to go ahead and close this tab a little bit. And then we're going to close those 2 pieces off. It's always a little tricky here. So we got this one. Okay, and then I've got this one right here. Now the origami paper, it does make it faster. When I glue it, it just holds because the paper is thinner. Whereas if the paper was thicker like cardstock, it would be a little bit like I'd have to hold it in place a little bit longer. But this thin paper is very fast. All righty. So here we have, already we have, we can count the spikes by looking in the back, right? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. All right. And again, if we look at the center, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is how it interconnects. So when I look at this, and you can see how it doesn't want to flatten out anymore. That is why it's important to, whenever you see that you can close off the cones, do it. Because the cones force your project to become spherical. Okay? So we're going to look at where we're going to do the next one. Probably right here because we got 3.